Hello friends, in this lecture we will take a look at parameterized function. So what is a parameterized function? Here you are seeing a parenthesis, right? First of all, let me show you an example. Let's change it to name and also let's call here name. Well, let's save it. Now, inside this parenthesis, currently we don't have any value, so it's blank. So it's a normal function without any parameters. Now let's provide here two parameters, say x comma y, and here let's write here say John, and let's write here Cena. Well, John Cena is a professional wrestler. I don't know whether you watch WWE or not, but I'm a real fan of this. So just for fun, I am providing this name. Now, what will this parameterized function do? You are calling this function name John Cena, and it is referencing here, and inside it, it is mentioned x comma y. So what it will do, this x will contain the value of John and y will contain the value of Cena. Now let's see. Inside document.write, just execute the name x plus y. Let's save it, and now let's open in our browser. Let's see what happens. So it's John Cena. No space is there, so let's provide a space. I mean just a blank space. Now let's save it and come here, hit refresh. Oops, I didn't provide space only. So there you go, John Cena. Now it is reusable. How? Just copy it, press Ctrl C, come here and just paste it, and let's write here some different name. Let's say for example Christina. Let's provide a surname, say Taylor. Now come here, hit refresh. Well, John Cena, Christina Taylor. Well, I think we need to provide a line break to make it more clear. So let's provide a line break. Now save it, come here, hit refresh. There you go, John Cena, Christina Taylor. Again you can copy it, press Ctrl C. Now let's paste it, and here you can write say Mary Jones. Let's come here, hit refresh. There you go, John Cena, Christina Taylor, Mary Jones. So in our previous lecture, I have told you that the use of function is we can reuse it, and this is how we can do it. I'm not saying that using normal function you can't do and you can only do it using parameterized function. I'm not saying this. Here we have a function, and whenever a similar task is to be done, you can just call the function. That's it. Say for example, you have created a photo gallery website. So whenever a user is logging in, then you can write welcome John or hello John, and you can provide it many times. The use of a function is you can use it many times, and you don't have to execute the same statement or statements multiple times. What you can do, you can write a function and you provide some necessary steps that you need to do every time, and you just call it whenever necessary. In our previous lecture, I have told you that functions are reusable, and this is how it can be reused. And in various stages of programming, you will see that a function will help a lot. It will save a lot of time. Instead of repeating the same code everywhere, just write a function, put all your codes there, and whenever it is needed, just execute it by just calling it. That's it. That's the concept of function. So that's it friends. Here in this lecture we have understood function a little bit better, and also we have gone through parameterized function. In our next lecture, we will take a look at return function, which is really very important, and we will see it in the next lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.